Some people will say it's an addiction, others will say it's just a drink. It's warm and cozy. It helps you be productive and alive throughout the day. It's every college student and middle-aged person's favorite, coffee. But how do I make it, you may ask? Well, you can use a Keurig. Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to use a Keurig. Okay. The first step you want to do when using your Keurig is fill up your water dispenser. Fill it up at least halfway. It will give you about 3 to 4 cups of coffee. Now that you've filled up your water dispenser, you want to place it back on to your Keurig. Next, you want to turn your Keurig on. At first, it'll say not ready, but give it a minute or two to heat up and it will say ready. Now that it says ready to brew, your next step is to put your K-cup into your Keurig. You first want to open your Keurig up. Then you want to place your K-cup inside the circle, and then you want to close it. Now you see these lights blinking. Choose which size you want. For a standard cup size, you would want the middle one, so then you would press it. Next, it's going to come out. After you're done brewing, you first want to open up your Keurig and dispose of the K-cup. Now your coffee is all complete. Add whatever you like to it and enjoy.